Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to qualify for a SoFi loan. To qualify for a SoFi loan, you will need to meet certain eligibility requirements. SoFi evaluates your financial history, and it's generally believed they look for a credit score of 650 or higher for most of their loan products. A higher credit score can help you get a lower interest rate. SoFi also assesses your income and employment status. They want to see that you have a stable source of income to comfortably make your monthly loan payments. This includes your salary, but also other forms of income like side hustles, alimony, or disability benefits. If you're unemployed but have a job offer that starts within 90 days, you might still be able to qualify. Another key factor is your debt-to-income, or DTI, ratio. This ratio compares your total monthly debt payments to your gross monthly income. A lower DTI ratio shows that you have more income available to handle a new loan payment, and lenders generally prefer a DTI of 36% or lower. While these are the main qualifications, SoFi's underwriting model considers your overall financial health. They also look for a history of responsible financial behavior. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.